Hi, please tell me your name and how did you hear about CrystalTop Finish?
My name is Jim Hart, and we saw Zach at a home show in Orlando.
And what service did you purchase from CrystalTop?
Well, we've actually done it 3 times now. We've had some rental condos that Zach came in and did the countertops in the kitchens and the baths. And then we just bought this home here in Homosassa, and we use it as a second home, and we had Zach come in and do the countertops here.
Fantastic. And what was your experience with CrystalTop Finish?
I think Zach is the ultimate artist and a very professional at what he does, and you can see he did a great job.
And why would you recommend CrystalTop Finish?
Well, the cost of doing new countertops versus the overlay we're doing here is about half the price, and it's a lot easier. You don't have to take stuff off. You don't have to take the sinks out. It's a permanent solution to changing the look of a kitchen or a bath, which is what we did.
Thank you.